So today I want to talk about all the upgrades that I've done to my lovely 2017 Rav4 XLE. Just want to start first of all with the remote start. This is one of the first upgrades I've done. So here we go. Starts the car. I've been running for up to 15 minutes before it turns off itself. And of course you can always insert the key and go about your business. You can also use the remote to shut down the vehicle as well. So that's simple. There you go. It's the same remote to shut down the vehicle without enter. Let's go inside. And in terms of internal upgrades, one of the things I've done is to replace the regular mats with weatherproof matting. That's throughout the vehicle. Weatherproof matting. Easier to clean, easier to deal with any dirt or mud coming into the vehicle. Nice weatherproof matting. Another upgrade that I did recently was to change out the speakers, take out the crazy small speakers that they had inside, which didn't give any good bass and treble. Change them out to JBL speakers. Let's show you these JBL units that I inserted for the front, for the dashboard. We have some 3.5 JBL GX328 speakers, and for the four doors we have a 6.5 JBL GX628 speakers. They give very good bass and tweeter sound. I'm glad I did that, and it was an easy project, not difficult to do. It's a do-it-yourself project. Nice steering wheel cover. Actually went overseas and got this, and I've had this on here for probably 6 years now, since I had the vehicle, since I got the vehicle. Grips very well, feels very smooth. You'll have this for as long as you need it. So I changed the 3.5 JBL speakers there, on the top of the dashboard there, and over here, as well as the door speakers located down there on the bottom of each door. One of the other internal upgrades that I did was to change the lighting all over. Take out the yellow lights and put in these LED bright lights, bright white lights. It's for much better viewing when you're inside. Externally, some of the updates that I did, the vehicle didn't come with mud guards, so I bought these genuine Toyota mud guards. Picked them up at parts of Toyota that come online. I went to the dealer to pick them up. So rear and front mud guards have all been installed. Let the vehicle look. there. Nice mud guards there as well. You may have noted that I painted the caliper. Looking beautiful. All 4 wheels. Nice orange, goldish caliper paint. Another external upgrade I did was to insert wind visors on the windows. So if it's raining out and it's nice, you can crack your windows and get some nice cool breeze, particularly on these long country rides. Nice wind visor there. Another upgrade was to install these roof racks. Very nice roof racks. I love them. Complement the silver color of the car. Gray silver color of the car. Very nice 2 roof racks. I've had reason to use them a couple times, carrying ladders particularly. Are perfect. Nice roof rack. I think one of the last upgrades that was about 8 or 9 updates that I've done to the vehicle. And one of the last ones to talk about is LED headlights. Change out the headlights. Glass is cleaning so you can't see so well, but these are not the yellow headlights that came with the vehicle. These are LED headlights that I inserted. Lasts much longer. It's pretty simple to install. And nice LED headlights inside there. Yep, I think that's about it. Did I miss anything? Try to spruce up my vehicle to make it more comfortable always. Of course, I've installed these little back support here just for my comfort, driving comfort. This 2017 XLE Rav4 doesn't come with a power driver seat, so power driver seat tend to have a lumbar support, so this doesn't have it since it doesn't have power driver seat. So I had this back support, which has turned out very well, worked very well in supporting my back and my driving comfort. This is my cell phone holder when I'm driving. So there you go. It's about 9 updates that I've done to the vehicle. I think I covered all of them, hopefully I didn't miss anything. But looks nice and I love it. So this is updates to 2017 Rav4 XLE.